Good morning! Andito tayo ngayon sa Georgia. Naglakwat sa ito. Punta kami, kuha kami ng kain ng breakfast. Yan. Aga namin dito para hindi pa crowded. Yan yung pangalan ng cafe. May 5-star review ito. Maliit lang siya na lugar. It's a mom and pop place. See? Maliit lang. Hindi siya yung elegant na breakfast. Maliit. Tapos may gas station. Yan. Yan yung paligid. See? Let's go inside. I'll check out. Good morning.
Morning.
Most place. Alright, I'll see kung anong ma-order dito. Ito yung menu nila. See? Maliit lang. Lunch. Pero may breakfast sila dito. See? Breakfast. Ito yung in-order namin. Cold brew French toast. Tingnan natin pagdating. Alright? Ito yung breakfast in-order natin. Tingnan nyo, diba? Simple lang. Yung plato nilagyan is cardboard lang. Yeah, so ano pala yan? It's a cold brew French toast stuffed with coffee, infused cream cheese, side of bacon. Yeah. So, may cream cheese, may coffee, yan. Infused coffee. And ito, with eggs. Yan. And of course, coffee. Alright. Thank you. Tikman natin. It's really good. It's cold, but it's good. It's with cream cheese. See? And coffee. Of course, bacon. Alright, kaplantita. Kain mo na ako. Bye!